Good morning, July 3rd. Mark Morris, the engineer, is building a $150 million business who had to learn how to sell to go to jail. I wish I could be like, was it Bezos, man? I just want to sell $5 billion worth of stock. We just wake up one day, I'm going to go just throw down $5 billion worth of stock. That's why I like money. That's why I like passive income. And he doesn't even work in the company anymore. Stock goes up, he makes money. So subscribe. This goes to your home contractors, home repair people. I want you to go to my channel. Just watch how I'm building up my channel. Watch how I do different views, different subjects, and then I'll tell you the same thing. Hey, anybody who wants to learn how to get out of debt? Boom. Hey, anybody who wants to get help? Boom. Make an offer. Anybody want a cap? Anybody want a t-shirt? Subscribe. And that's how you have to be with your business. You've got to learn how to build your own brand. Brand you, and then after that, you tie your brand into different offices to people to help, and that's how you monetize. So subscribe. Look at how my different views I had yesterday, all over the place. Some for 1, some for 100. And that's how you're going to have to start being, because in the age of AI, only your individuality and your differentiation is going to help you make money. Subscribe.